Hello, folks. Welcome back to another episode of what I'd like to call Joy Just Randomly Talks as her video plays. San Francisco. I love San Francisco, but I don't really like San Francisco. I think it's a gorgeous city. I think there is a lot to see. It's just so overcrowded, overpriced, extremely expensive, extremely narrow, lots of hills, and I'm talking, you ever go to a roller coaster, like that first drop, where your stomach just kind of slightly escapes your soul and then comes back to the ground? Those are the hills in San Francisco. I know there's people in Pennsylvania. I know we have them here in Ohio. There are hills, but not like this. This is a level of hills. San Francisco is just, it's so expensive. I do love it though. The food, the culture, the environment, the art. I do love it. I did not go to Alcatraz. At the time that I was in San Francisco, I had really, really bad knees. This was prior to having actually both of my knees replaced, and there was no way I was gonna be able to handle the amount of walking that actual tour requires. I could do it now, no problem. The only reason I would want to go back to San Francisco, to be honest, would be to go back to the Muir National. I don't know if it's a national forest, a national park, that aspect of San Francisco and California. That's what I would like to see. If I could go back and rewind and repeat a couple of trips, I wish I would have done a ride on the trolley car. I do really actually enjoy doing these postcards, but I am hoping I can get back to them. The crazy thing when you try to start developing different aspects of your life through social media, you become very weirdly busy in a way I didn't expect. And I really enjoy the painting process. I mean, it really is something that I want to get back to doing, but I honestly, personally, right now, I have not painted in it's been a couple of weeks because I have product. There are some benefits to becoming a content creator. I'm gonna put this flat out right now, because I am now developing a lot of my energy into my YouTube channel, but I, for the last year and a half, have been developing the TikTok account side of my social media platform. With that came deals that I could work with art companies that allow me to get free samples, and I was able to kind of explore my creative side, which was a big benefit for me because, I don't have money to be able to go out and buy these supplies. So having these deals with these companies it's a massive benefit for any artist. And if you're trying to get here, if you're trying to get to that point, I highly recommend that's what you do. I mean, work on YouTube, and it's kind of hard sometimes. You think about, I should have just posted the content on both platforms, but it's a lot of work. It really is. And I'm 53 years old and I get tired quicker than I ever used to. So I really do enjoy it. I hope at some point it does benefit me more than just the free art supplies. My idea is that I think art should be for everybody, and not thousands upon thousands upon thousands of dollars. Would I love to make that kind of money? Hell yeah, I would. Not gonna lie. I mean, that would pay some bills in a heartbeat. But, I haven't hit that lottery yet in the art world. But I think in order to do that, you do have to put yourself out there, and you do have to get known in your local art community, which I am trying to become a part of, but it's hard because my life focus and things that I have to worry about right now are shifted. So, and I can only do so much. I am one person, and I can only do as much as I can really only do. So for me, that's taking a step back from TikTok, not posting as much, and now focusing my content here on YouTube, where it's more the long form. If you ever want to take a trip, I highly recommend it. And as always, that was really long-winded, and sorry about that. I didn't mean to get all that carried away. We may edit all that down. Make sure you follow, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share. Pretty please with sugar on top, We as YouTubers that are creating content for the world to see, appreciate it with all of our hearts. All kinds of fun stuff. Anyway, have a fabulous day, and I will see you next time.
fight the darkness till break of day. The heart and the past changes so fast, like a chameleon. Red ones and blue skies, what did we know? We were so very young. Four-leaf clover, look what you've got. Changing colors more often than not. Same old horizon looks different to you. Breaking silence, so easy to do. The heart and the past changes so fast, like a chameleon. Red ones and blue skies, what did we know? We were so very young. The heart and the past change